Hi all, in this video I am explaining about how you can set up a Nomato social automation service for automating your Instagram and Facebook pages. You can see this is our website www.nomatosocial.com. So for setting up our Nomato social website, first you have to sign up and click on this sign up now. And here you can give your name, email, and you can set up password and then you can sign up. Here I have already created an account. So I am login now. Click on this login and here you can see my email ID and password I have given for sign up. So if you want to sign with Google, you can click on this, or if you want to directly sign with the Facebook, you can click on this. Now I am logged with my email ID and password and login. After login, you can see this dashboard. Here you can see the analytics of our account. Currently, the account is unlinked now and I have to connect the account. So I will guide you to connect your Facebook and Instagram account for setting up our automation using Nomato Social. So for that, you have to connect the accounts. By clicking on this, you can connect. Here you can see you have not connected any account yet. So before logging with Facebook, we have to check few things for connecting our Facebook and Instagram. The first thing, you should have a professional page or a business page in Instagram and also a page in Facebook account. Under your Facebook account, you have to create a page. Also, your Facebook and Instagram page should be connected each other. So for that, if your Instagram page is not a professional page, you have to make it to professional, and also you have to check your Instagram and Facebook are connected each other. So for that, go to your Instagram account and in more option, you can select on settings and here you can see the account center option here. So when opening on this account center, you can see your Instagram and Facebook account. If you don't see your Facebook account added here, you can add by clicking on this add accounts, and you can add your Facebook account by adding Facebook, and you will get a OTP in your or code in your mail ID. So you have to use the same mail ID for both Instagram and Facebook. And for checking on the Facebook, whether the Instagram page is connected with your Facebook page, go to your Facebook page and go to Meta Business Suite. So here I have opened this Meta Business Suite. So here in Meta Business Suite, you can see your Facebook and Instagram pages are here. So in this case, I have already connected my Facebook and Instagram page. Or for the first time, if you are trying to connect the Facebook and Instagram page in your Meta Business Suite, you will get a notification here. So by clicking on that, you can connect your Facebook page and Instagram page together. So checking on both sides are important for Instagram to Facebook and Facebook to Instagram. When connecting your Instagram page to Facebook page also, you will get a OTP in your mail ID. So that's why I have told that you have to use the same mail ID for both Instagram and Facebook. So after connecting, you can go to your Nomato Social connecting page. So here I am going to Nomato Social page and you can log in with Facebook. So as I have already checked and connected both my Instagram and Facebook account, here I am directly logged in with Facebook. So then click on continue. And for me, I have already connected my account previously. So here it's showing reconnect Fatima C2 Nomato Social. So as you are connecting for the first time, you can directly connect your accounts and click on your Facebook and Instagram pages and also your business page and click on the next option from here. Here I am directly reconnecting. Click on this reconnect and the accounts are added here. So like this, you can simply connect your accounts by connecting your Facebook and Instagram pages together here. So here you can see the account added here and my Facebook and Instagram pages are showing here. Automation testing is my Facebook page and this is my Instagram page. And just synchronize this Instagram account. Next, enable bot connection. For activating our automations, we have to enable this bot connection. Enable bot connection and it's showing success. So the account settings and account connections are all done. So here after that you can set up the automation for a Facebook page from here, Facebook tools. You can see subscriber manager, live chat, bot manager for your DM replies and comment manager for comment replies with the DM and all the things you can set up from here. And the broadcasting is here. And also under that you can see the Instagram tools for setting up automations for your Instagram pages. Here you can see a subscriber manager to see the subscribers or followers here for your Instagram page, and live chat, bot manager for DM replies, and comment manager for comment setup and automation. And here you can see this social posting. By using this, you can post on a Facebook and Instagram pages at a time. And here under that you can see the social posting. So by doing this social posting, you can post on both Facebook and Instagram pages together, and you can do the multimedia posting, and also you can schedule the post for posting on your Instagram and Facebook account. And after that, you can see this e-commerce store option. So if you are running a small business and if you want to build your online store, you can simply create your online store inside our Nomato social, and you can share your product details, product links, or price details to your customers directly through your DM also. So in your board manager, you can set up the multiple flows for sharing your product and the details or the images, links, multiple options are available. So like this, you can set up your Facebook and Instagram for setting up Nomato social automation. Here you can see this API channels option. In this, you can connect your email APIs, email autoresponder APIs, SMS APIs, etc. so that you can send emails, SMS for in need. And for setting up our bot manager or comment manager, also e-commerce store, you can see the detailed videos uploaded in our YouTube channel. There you can find complete guidance for setting up those features. And if you have any doubt and concerns for connect your Facebook and Instagram account with Nomato Social, feel free to reach out. You can simply connect with our help. You don't have to worry about for connecting these pages. Just you have to create a page, Instagram and Facebook pages. Instagram page should be public, and also there should be a Facebook page or a Facebook account. So these two things are very important for setting up Nomato Social. So if you have any doubt, any concerns or any queries regarding this setup, feel free to reach out. Thank you for watching.